Welcome back. We have some breaking news coming in on the Chandigarh mayoral poll row. Now, returning officer Anil Masih has filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court. He has responded to CJI's contempt notice. In fact, he stands by the claim that 8 ballots were defaced. So, this is the latest update that is coming in as far as the Chandigarh mayoral poll row is concerned. Returning officer Anil Masih has now filed an affidavit in the Apex Court in which he has responded to the Chief Justice of India's contempt notice, and he still stands by the claim that 8 ballots were defaced in the Chandigarh mayoral poll. So the Chandigarh mayoral poll row continues as returning officer Anil Masih has now filed an affidavit in the Supreme Court. He has responded to CJI's contempt notice, and our legal correspondent Ananya Bhatnagar is now joining us with more details on this. Ananya, what else has he mentioned in the affidavit that he has filed in the Supreme Court?
Well, definitely, if you remember that there was a lot of happenings in the Chandigarh mayor polls, and the Supreme Court had to intervene. In fact, had to exercise its powers under 142, the special powers that the Supreme Court has to provide complete justice, and it declared, in fact, one of the candidates of the Aam Aadmi Party to be the winner of that particular election, not, in fact, going into the recounting as well. And then Mr. Anil Masih was actually given out to be the one who was responsible. He was, the CJI had said that he is somebody who could have faced prosecution. In fact, a show cause notice was issued to him, and he was asked to respond within a period of 2 weeks in order to explain as to why disciplinary action and prosecution should not be done over his act of defacing those particular ballot papers. And now he's come out with this affidavit before the Supreme Court, clearly saying that he stands by the claim that the 8 ballots were defaced, but he says that he could not answer the Chief Justice of India properly because he was suffering from post-traumatic, depression after that particular video of the Chandigarh mayor poll that actually leaked out. Not only that, what is also very important to note is that he goes on to say that in Supreme Court, I was under mental trauma, stress, and a tense atmosphere after seeing the heated arguments that were taking place between the senior advocates. And so that's the reason why I was not able to answer the Chief Justice of India properly, and that's the claim that he has made before the Supreme Court. How much of it does it affect the topmost of the country, whether or not the Supreme Court would be, adhering to what has been going on to say? It's something that we'll have to wait and watch for.
All right, Ananya, thank you so much for all those details. Right now, we have some more breaking news coming.